Hello everyone, my name is Aadesh Jain and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk about how you can turn your passion for Instagram into a money-making machine. If you set to clear spell, effectiveness what you passion by tempered, because I got around awesome tips for you. You take to Footram Corner that excites you. Be it physical fitness, nutrient go or picture taking. Your content should always be high quality, visually appealing and something your audience can connect with. Do leave to employ ingenious captions, trending hashtags and base testing multiplication ones. Your following are about dynamic. Engaging with your audience through comments and DMs is a must. It constructs trust and a loyal community. By collaborating with brands. Platform care expiry के affluence and heap C get use brands. Look for influencers. You can earn by promoting their products in your posts or creating sponsored content for them. Bravo Associates, Rakuten or CJ Associate and race products on your pictures. Whenever someone makes a purchase through your affiliate link, you earn a commission. If you AMP photographer platform care for PM or 2020 leave you to deal your photos flat to brands and buyers. Several natural products relevant to your corner. Exploitation Instagram shopping, carry videos where your following get financially back you and subscriptions for soul happy. Sponsor posts are another way to earn. Platforms like Social Publi or Family can help you connect with companies willing to pay you for promotions. Your audience bank is everything. Keep improving your content, be consistent, and stand out from the crowd. And educate me. Love inch the comments if you need and fancy picture along whatever of these methods. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next one.